Hello guys, welcome to my channel Android Dev. Today we are going to discuss a very common problem, which is how to set a custom font in a spannable string on a text view. Okay, so as you can see, I have already created a simple project in Android Studio, and it contains a simple activity, main activity, and a simple layout file, main activity layout. And also I have enabled the view binding. So you can see that इनिशियली मैंने इस पे हेलो वर्ड जो है वो टेक्स्ट व्यू पे टेक्स्ट सेट कर रखा है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द कोड which will enable us to create a spannable string with a custom font. Okay, so here is the function. I will get some parameters over here like context and original strings, which I will call source string, start index, integer parameter, and index will also be a integer parameter, and a custom font, which can be a font resource only. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So now let's create a new spannable string with the source. Okay, this is a very simple shortcut. Uh, Control Alt V. Okay, now set this. Now let's create a spannable string dot set span. Okay, now what kind of span you want to set is typeface span. New typeface span. Here you have to pass the typeface. Okay, so for creating the typeface, we will use resource compact dot get font. Here we have to use the context and then font. Okay, so it will return a typeface. You can pass the typeface to the typeface span. Now let's pass the all the variables, start index and index, flags. So flag is spannable dot span exclusive. Cool. Now ये कुछ एरर दे रहा है. ये एरर है कि this okay, so call requires API level 28. So we can wrap this function in a version. Okay, now what about the lesser version than P, Android Pie, which is 28, I think. Yeah, right, 28. Okay, so here what we can do is we can copy this code, paste it over here. Now let's override some basic functionality of typeface span. Okay, and pass a null over here. Cool. This is the very basic function, update draw state. Okay, this will give you a text paint. Now you can apply whatever you want to on this text pane. Now here you can set the typeface is equals to resource compact, which is already available in the typeface of it. Okay, so here you can see that we have updated this. Okay, let's call this after this. Okay, now let's call this function from the main activity utils. dot apply font context source and start index. Let's say we will write word 6 comma s dot length comma r dot font dot. I think r is not imported. Font dot. So this is the font which I have already downloaded from the Google font website. You can also download your own custom font and apply it over here. Okay, so all the parameters I have already passed. Now Control Alt V, sorry, Control Alt V, expression 20. Okay, I think it is giving error that this function is not returning anything. So what we have to do is we have to return a spannable string over here. Return spannable string. Cool. Now it will Control Alt V will work. It is a spannable string, and now apply this spannable string to the text view. Now let's run it on the multiple devices. Okay. First the API level 30 and the API level 27. Let's execute the program and see what will be the output. Here you can see this is the API version 30. This is working fine. And this is the API level 27, which is not working. Okay, let me make some changes in this object, this function. Why it is not working? Let's see. I think we don't need to call the super function over here. Let's rerun it. Okay, now it's working fine on both of the devices. As you can see, it is API level 30 and this is API level 27. Cool. So this is the final solution. You can see over here. You can pause your video, and if you want to copy this, you can.